Kashmir Valley in grip of extreme cold conditions, harsh cold wave, and if you talk of Dal Lake, major portions of Dal Lake have frozen, a thick sheet of ice on the Dal Lake, and Srinagar recorded season's lowest temperature at -6.2. Shopian, the coldest in Kashmir, at -10. We've been joined by Dr. Mukhtar Ahmed, who's a senior scientist in the IMD, which had already predicted these harsh cold conditions to intensify. Sir, what is the reason? I mean, last few years we have seen that temperatures had not gone this down. This kind of cold was not experienced. So, what are the factors that have ensured this kind of cold wave in Kashmir and then the effect across North India?
Thank you. As already expected, temperatures were expected to fall, and we are repeatedly telling that there may be isolated cold waves over the entire Jammu and Kashmir for next 7 days. So the different factors may be, first one is the El Nino, as we had already said time and again that winter will be slightly harsher as compared to normal, and there will be some feeble WD activities we had seen during last few weeks. So as a result, that temperature, normal minimum temperature should be around -2 to 3 degrees Celsius, and because of this light snowfall activity over here it has intensified to -6, -7 also, and in some places it has further fallen to -10 degrees also.
Right. So traditionally, Chile Kalan locally, I mean, 40-day extreme cold wave period is about to start. And what are your expectations? Is there any relief in store for the people, or these cold wave conditions are going to further aggravate?
During next 3 days, from tomorrow onwards, it will be a slight improvement in minimum temperature, and there may be some relief expected for general public. And from 23rd onwards, there will be again fall in minimum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius, and again the cold wave will be intensified across stations in the valley. Then again from 26th onwards, there will be slight improvement in minimum temperature across the station throughout Jammu and Kashmir, and some activity is expected over South Kashmir, snowfall activity, and parts of Chenab Valley, including Doda, Kishtwar, and Padarwa and adjoining areas. So during 27-28, there may be some activity is expected in South Kashmir and some parts of Jammu region, and again temperature is expected to rise by around 2 to 3 degrees Celsius.
So it's a struggle for the people because right now even water pipelines have jammed because of the freeze. Power situation is bad, and next 40 days you're saying are going to be even more challenging, considering that this year. Do you feel that the La Nina impact, which many talked about, it is being now felt, and it is aggravating the situation? And as far as these Chile Kalan is concerned, how harsh it is going? Are you expecting it to be?
Chile Kalan, as far as historical data is saying that Chile Kalan is always harsher part of the winter, especially in Kashmir Valley. So this year also Chile Kalan may be harsher according to the past trends, and as far as La Nina is concerned, already temperatures have been fallen to -6.2 and -10 degrees Celsius in some plains. So in coming days also it may further dip to -7, -8 in some plains, including Srinagar and adjoining areas, and in some Middle East, especially Shopian and adjoining areas, it may further fall to -10, -12 degrees Celsius. So slightly harsher winter is expected, as already predicted by IMD and other global agencies.
So your weather models, what do they suggest? I mean, is it that whatever happens in Kashmir as far as snow and northwestern Himalayas, its impact is felt in plains, because Delhi and other areas are also experiencing extreme cold? So what is the prediction for those areas? Will the temperatures go even down in the coming days? I mean, any relief from cold wave?
No, during next 4 or 5 days there may be no significant change in temperature. Cold wave is continuing at many parts of North India. From 26th onwards, and there may be a significant rise in minimum temperature and day temperature also over many parts of North India, especially the plains. So temperatures are expected to rise from 26th onwards, and somehow that cold wave may be broken over many parts of North India.
Thank you so much, sir. So that was Dr. Mukhtar Ahmed, who clarified as to how these weather models are impacting the minimum temperatures. Kashmir is in deep freeze, and these cold conditions are only going to intensify because the 40-day extreme cold period of Chile Kalan, traditionally called Chile Kalan in Kashmir, is going to start, and it is going to be harsh, even harsh in those days. Minimum temperatures may further fall, so no relief as far as Valleyhites are concerned from these extreme cold wind. But yes, some good news for the other parts of North India, including Delhi, UP, where from 26th they could expect relief from this extreme cold as temperatures may rise, considering that there are some easterlies and there could be some showers. So that would really bring relief. So overall, no change as far as cold wave is concerned. This extreme cold conditions are going to continue in the coming days, and these temperatures may further fall as far as Kashmir is concerned, meaning that we could see the complete Dal Lake freezing in the next 1 month as these temperatures may further dip to -6, -7, -8 as far as Srinagar is concerned. Camera person Tariq Loan, Meet for East Srinagar.